You just watched a video where a woman was doing a makeup and suddenly she got possessed by a demon. And she hit her head on the table until she died. The video name is Party Maker by Nikki, which seems harmless makeup tutorial at first, but it soon becomes very disturbing. So what is the truth behind this video? Let's find out. There is a channel on YouTube, The 15 Experience. According to him, he is an hacker that has managed to access security cameras providing paranormal activities at a haunted location. In 2014, he uploads a video on YouTube named Party Makeup by Nikki. In this video, a woman named Nikki takes us through her makeup routine. Suddenly, a video appears on her screen, which seems like a CCTV footage of darkness. She closes the video and starts doing makeup. Again, the same video appears on her screen, but this time Nikki immediately starts staring directly into the camera. Nikki then starts banging her head against the table and blood splatters everywhere. After this episode, she sits in her chair with a swallow face and one eye twitching while blood pours down her face. This video is now removed from the 5 Experience channel, but the description reportedly reads, "The video was sent to me anonymously. I do not have any information beyond that. It is for you to decide know your own whether it is real or fake." Actually, this video is fake. The woman in that video is Nakia Sakres and she is an actress and writer. After the video went viral, she tweeted this. That proves that the video is not real and she is very much alive. But when she starts staring, it's really scary.